This is what a Python list looks like. One thing that other languages might not have is the ability to add different data types to the same list. So for example, in this case, we can add 1, we can add 2, we can even add a variable, which is pi in this case. And let's move on. So one of the things you can do with Python list is obviously access an element, and you can do that by just doing fruits and then squared brackets, and then you put in the index here. So index 2 here points to 1, because Python is zero index based, which means apple is index 0, orange is index 1, and then 1 is index 2. And then let's print this. And the output here should be 1. What you can also do is get the length of the list. So all you have to do is use the built-in function, which is len, and then fruits. And then here you will get 5, because you have 5 elements in the list. You can also change an existing element in the list just by doing fruits and then the index. So let's say we don't like oranges and we want to change it to mango. It's that simple. And now let's assume we want to add a new element to the list. You can use the append function, which is a built-in function as well, and then just add 3, for example. And same thing for removing an element. You can do fruits.remove, and then let's remove the apple. So the list here should look like this. Mango, 1, 2, 3.14, and then 3, right? So let's print the list and verify that's the actual output. So fruits, and then let's run the code. So you can see here that the output is as expected. The first output is 1, the next one is 5, and then the last thing we have is the whole list, which looks like exactly what we expected. Subscribe for more.